Just got done with a small little welding project in my shop, and I'd like to do some more videos on welding stuff if you guys are interested. Probably even if you aren't, I'll probably still do them. But one of the questions I get asked from friends and coworkers and stuff who've never welded is, what's it like welding? And the easiest way for me to describe it for someone who's never done it before is, it's kind of like trying to write with really fine cursive or calligraphy handwriting, like a long paragraph when it's kind of dark and you have a drunk uncle who's burning you over and over again with a cigarette, but you have to keep your hands steady even though you're getting burned. But it's rewarding in the end when the project turns out, and it's great for my ADD focus. So stick around, stay tuned. Until next time, stay American and dodge them sparks.